Okay guys, it's chocolate time and this pudding is so delicious and so wholesome. It is, of course, plant-based vegan. It's also sweetened only with dates. You could add more sweetener if you want to bump up the sweetener with a little maple syrup or date syrup, but it's just dates. Plant-based milk, a little seasoning, and the special ingredient, wait for it, it's not sweet potato because I know I'm going to use sweet potato a lot. It is sea moss. This one is made with sea moss gel. You will not know. And this one is powder because not everyone can find sea moss gel. I buy survival moss gel and I get it locally, but it's very expensive to ship because it has to be refrigerated. So they have this freeze-dried powder and that's what I've used in this one. They're both delicious. I'm gonna take a taste of both. First I'll go with this one. Look how silky smooth it is. Yummy. And this one, no, not fair. No one else gets to try it. So good. Yum. And for those with allergies, this pudding is nut-free, oil-free, of course, and gluten-free. So easy to make, just in the blender. And then you're getting the sea moss benefits in a delicious dessert. So if you want the recipe, comment recipe so we can sign you up to the newsletter and it will come to your inbox. But I need to get these photographed. So I need to send some sea moss to my photographer who's on the other side of Canada. If you know someone in Vancouver in the area that wants to do some photography, please reach out to me and then I can get these photographed even quicker and onto my site for you, okay? Well, I can't wait for you to try it. I also have a rice pudding coming up and more. All right, back with more soon.